The all-new Dacia Duster is a very interesting car from a consumer's perspective. This is because the Duster has been built to the customer's specification. The off-road capabilities have been tuned to the roof, which makes it even more capable. The best part of the new Duster might just have you buying one. Watch out! Let's begin with exterior. Dacia's all-new Duster comes out of the plant with epic rugged looks, both on the exterior and the interior, which we'll discuss more on later in the video. The rugged designs are so amazing that the Duster has risen to the top of the off-roading vehicle lineup and has become so popular amongst adventurous individuals and families. With this new Duster, Dacia has added an extra layer of practicality to improve the rugged charm. Some of the new design features include a stylish belt, connecting functional elements like the skid plates and wheel arch guards, which each make the new Duster even more off-road friendly. Beyond aesthetics, practical features like the sleep pack, which is Dacia's camping tent, a wide roof rack to accommodate more of your luggage, and the accessories from In Nature enhance the adaptability of the Duster, seamlessly combining strength and utility for daily use, while also enhancing its readiness for outdoor adventures like never before. The next part of this review will make you reach for your wallet. You have been warned. Suspension and handling. In the line of Dusters, the latest model steps away from its older Renault roots, now sharing a platform with the Dacia Sandero and Renault Clio. This new foundation brings a notable perk: a surprisingly cushy ride. With its suspension and chunky tires, the Duster breezes through potholes and road ripples like a pro, easing out tension. But wait, there's more. Compared to its predecessor, this Duster has had a bit of a workout, with its suspension getting a tad firmer. You can say goodbye to that disconcerting side-to-side wobble on bumpy roads. Plus, if you opt for the four-wheel drive version, you're treated to some fancy rear suspension wizardry, promising even smoother sailing. In terms of handling, the Duster can gracefully tackle corners without leaning too heavily. However, it's not quite the life of the party when it comes to grip and steering feedback. It falls short of the playful spirit embodied by a Ford Puma. But here's where things get interesting. If you're the adventurous type, the Duster's 4x4 variant unleashes its secret weapon. With a slightly raised suspension and a nifty dial between the seats offering 5 off-road modes, this bad boy is a bona fide off-road champion. We are rating this ride excellently here because whether you are on a steep descent or a hill climb, there is zero cause for alarm as the Duster fearlessly ventures where others fear to tread, leaving its more road-focused rivals in the dust. Now let's talk about the interior. We are not too impressed by the vehicle's interior, and we'll tell you why soon. First, let's point out interesting parts inside the Duster. Finding your perfect driving position in the Duster is a breeze, with ample adjustment options for both the seat and steering wheel. Dacia has guaranteed everybody a comfortable drive in the all-new Duster. However, brace yourself for the possibility that the entry-level essential trim might skimp on perks like driver's seat height adjustment. It is not much of a difference if you test the seat first to ensure it suits your driving position. Every Duster variant boasts a user-friendly dashboard layout, complete with handy physical clicky buttons for air conditioning and essential controls conveniently located on the steering wheel. Upgrade to the Expression trim or higher, and you'll be treated to a sleek 7.0-inch digital driver display, delivering all the vital info in style. While it may not match the versatility of its VW rivals, it sure puts the MG ZS to shame. The Duster offers a commanding view ahead, with slim windscreen pillars ensuring excellent visibility. Sure, there are blind spots, but the higher-end models come to the rescue with blind spot monitoring. Plus, parking is a breeze thanks to rear parking sensors across all trims and a rear-view camera. For off-road enthusiasts, the Extreme trim sweetens the deal with a surround-view camera, perfect for conquering the wild unknown. While all Dusters sport LED daytime running lights and front fog lights, don't hold your breath for full LED headlights. The Dacia Essential trim keeps things simple with a basic infotainment setup, while the Expression treats you to a generous 10.0-inch touchscreen with smartphone mirroring capabilities. For those craving extra bells and whistles, the Journey and Extreme trims boast built-in sat-nav and additional speakers. And let's not forget our four-wheel drive comrades, who gain access to nifty off-road features like a built-in compass and inclinometer, perfect for navigating the untamed terrain. These are all nice features to have, but when you look at the quality of this interior, you quickly understand why we don't rate the Dacia interior so highly. As soon as you step inside the vehicle, you quickly realize it's too budget-conscious and not as exciting. We suppose that while it may lack the flashy touches of its pricier counterparts, there's a certain charm to its simplicity. Sure, you'll find some soft-touch fabric sprinkled here and there, but the majority of surfaces are unapologetically covered in hard plastics. It does not feel as plush as an MG ZS. What about space, specifically passenger and luggage space? Stepping into the Dacia Duster has ample headroom up front. However, tall folks might find themselves longing for a bit more legroom as the front seats don't slide back much. But hold on, don't expect to load up on snacks and drinks for the road trip. The cup holders are on the shallow side, and good luck fitting anything larger than a half-liter bottle in the door pockets. Even the central armrest isn't the roomiest, though it's still a handy addition. Comparatively, the MG ZS takes the prize for storage, boasting proper cup holders and more spacious door bins. Moving to the back, the elevated seat height means minimal bending when putting in kids and their car seats into the car. However, with a high roofline, even the tallest passengers won't be kissing the ceiling. Still on space, the Duster's rear compartment offers ample room for family shenanigans, though the MG ZS might edge it out slightly in this department. While the Duster's rear bench folds in a standard 60-40 split, it's not quite as versatile as some competitors, like the Skoda Karoq with its fancy VarioFlex seats. If you have luggage, the Duster's boot has excellent space. Whether you're hauling holiday gear or a haul from the shopping spree, its spacious confines won't leave you wanting. Plus, with a practical layout and minimal loading lip, loading up is a breeze. Notably, the all-new Duster's boot is around 6% larger than the previous generation model at 472 liters, further enhancing its practicality. With the roof rack, which is wider on this vehicle, the Duster is a luggage king. So, while it may not boast all the advantages of its rivals, the Duster proves it's more than capable of fitting seamlessly into family life, offering plenty of space for adventures big and small. Now let's safety and security. In the safety department, the previous Gen Duster didn't quite hit the high notes, scoring a modest 3 stars out of 5 from Euro NCAP, which is below the modern 5-star standard. But fear not, dear drivers, for the new model aims to right those wrongs. Packed with more safety goodies as standard, it's poised for a better performance when put to the test. Automatic emergency braking, traffic sign recognition, lane departure warning, and lane assist are just a few of the guardian angels watching over you on your journeys. And here's the cherry on top. No more touchscreen acrobatics just to toggle these aids on and off. With the handy My Safety button, you can swiftly adjust sensitivity settings to your liking with ease. Safety, meet convenience. And now last and not the least, the engines and performance. The new Duster lineup offers a variety of engine options to suit every driver's preference. There's the option of a full hybrid to petrol and LPG bi-fuel. First up, we have the Hybrid 140, a robust 1.6-liter, 4-cylinder powerhouse churning out 93 bhp. Its 1.2 kWh battery cleverly recharges itself on the fly, meaning no fussing with plugs and outlets. Next in line is the TCE 130, sporting a punchy 1.2-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine paired with a mild hybrid motor. This dynamic duo lends a helping hand to the combustion engine during startup and acceleration, resulting in lower fuel consumption and CO2 emissions. Last but not least, we have the TCE 100 bi-fuel, a nifty combination of a 1.0-liter turbo petrol engine and a 50-liter LPG tank. With just a tap on the dashboard, you can seamlessly switch between fuels. Plus, when cruising on LPG, it's eco-friendly, emitting around 10% less CO2 compared to its petrol counterpart. With such an array of powertrains, the new Duster ensures there's something for everyone, whether you prioritize efficiency, power, or environmental friendliness. The best part about the all-new Dacia Duster is that the engineers have paid attention to the customers and have designed the car to fit their wants while still keeping costs low. Yes, this low cost negatively impacts the interior, but it also puts the highest trims within the reach of many. With so much attention paid to the wants of the consumers, you are sure to love the Duster. Thank you for watching our video. Kindly subscribe to our channel for more EV and car updates.